Welcome to the blowout of Monday. Welcome to the blowout Monday. It was the Avs versus the Coyotes, 7-1. Game 4. Avs were 3-1. Series is 3-1 for the Avs at this point. At Monday. This is gonna be miserable. Because this game was miserable for the Coyotes. Straight up. First period, it was Nieto getting his first of the playoffs from Calvert and Belmar at 14:07 in the first period. Then Kadri gets his third from Landeskog and Rantanen. Power play goal at 16:07 in the first period. Kadri gets his fourth goal of the playoffs and second goal of the game from McKinnon and Makar. Power play goal at 19:39 in the first period. 3-0 to the Avs going into the second. Second period. Donskoy gets his third from Burakovsky and Kadri at 11:37 in the second period. Chikrin gets his first of the playoffs from Osterley and Hinostroza. Power play goal at 13:31 in the second period, and it's 4-1. 4-1 for the Avs. Third period. Makar gets his second unassisted 19 seconds in the third period. Calvert gets his first of the playoffs from McKinnon and Graves at 2:57 in the third period. Then Rantanen gets his third from Johnson and Landeskog. Power play goal at 16:24 in the third period. That's the end. 7-1. Miserable game for the Arizona Coyotes, honestly. Grubauer saved 14 out of 15. Good job on Grubauer. Kemper saved 18 out of 22. Ranta saved, in his backup appearance, he saved 5 out of 18. Did Ranta. Ouch. Ranta is showing his age. Ranta, this playoffs, has shown his age. He's old. That he is old and probably retiring within a year or 2 or 3. Shots are 30-15 for the Avalanche. The Arizona Coyotes don't have offense, apparently, either. 26-31 were the hits in favor of Arizona. Power play opportunities. Avalanche went 3 for 7 on the power play. So, the Arizona Coyotes, penalty kill was awful. So awful. I mean, how in the world? 2 in the first period, and then 1 in the third. So horrible. But in the only goal that they scored, Arizona did on the power play. They were 1 for 4. Penalty kills. Were awful. Were awful. Penalty kills were awful in this game. Oh my goodness. I've never seen Something sucked that bad. Power plays penalty kills were not the story of this game, nor was the goaltending for the Avalanche, nor was the offense of the Coyotes. Goaltending for the Coyotes was not stellar. Penalty kill for the Avalanche was not. The penalty kill for the Arizona Coyotes was not stellar. This was a complete and total debacle. Complete and total debacle from the Coyotes. I'm SMH right now. I am SMH. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to subscribe and see more, hit that subscribe button. As well as, if you can, please hit that notification bell. As well as share this video. As well as share this channel. There it is. Share this channel, all your friends, all your family, and stuff like that. And please stay safe out there. Just click in the description below on my social media, as well as stay safe out there. If you stop by, thank you. This was a long video. I talked a lot about how awful the Coyotes were in this game. But good luck to all of our teams, of course. See you guys, 3rd of 8.